What's going on, family? This is not financial advice. Do your own research, man. Hit the like and subscribe button for us so we can keep this content pumping, man. Let's get straight to it. We got the S&P, man. We are at a pivotal point right now, and we have rejected off of this zone. We filled the gap. Now we coming down. So let me show you exactly what I saw on the price action side of things today. Let me show you what. So this is what I saw today on the market. So since we've rejected off that zone up there, we have been in a nice downtrend, and this fits perfectly off of these levels. So we can open this up a little bit. Just a little. All right. So we got so let's open this chart on up. All right, here we go. Here we go. Boom. All right, so this is what we got. We're gonna zoom on out and look at the bigger picture. So as you know, we're in a bear market. Boom, we're in this huge downtrend. They confirmed the downtrend. It's the fourth touch, and now we're in a downtrend on the 4 hour. So this is the downtrend that I have currently right now, and this is where we're at. So as you can see, we're making a little series of lower highs here. First break of this channel, we finally broke outside, closed outside this channel. So now we should be making a new low of this channel. So lots of consolidation here. So they're trying to base down here at this 3,900 level, which they never touched, but they are basing down here. So this is the bottom of this range. Got a failed breakout to the upside. Then we got this downtrend in play at the moment. So this is the downtrend that we're in. You can clearly see it on the 4 hour. Nice downtrend. We can even zoom on out to the 1 hour. Boom. See how price fits nicely in this geometrical pattern here. So we're in this downtrend, right? So this is what finally got a break outside. So we should be expecting a new low. I'm gonna get us some price action to show you exactly what I saw today in the trades that I personally took. I'm gonna show you exactly what I saw. So this is the price action. A lot of chop. I initially had this range which was in play. They never made it back down to the lows. So I'll just show you the trades that I took this morning. So prices opened here at 9:30. So this is where prices open. So I have my range in play. They were in a downtrend, as you can see. Then they start coming back to the highs. They consolidated around 9:30. 9:30 prices opened, and they spiked all the way up. Big rejection up here at 33.95. So you'll be expecting them to fall because this is the previous resistance, overnight highs and resistance. So this is the first trade I took for the day because they spiked up so fast. So anytime they usually spike up, they usually go the other way before they make their trend. This is the first trade I took. I got short here at 394 off of the smaller time frame. So I'll show you exactly my entry. See how they failed nicely up here. Nice failure. Got a lower high entry. Beautiful reversal pattern. I took them all the way back down. I got out a little early. I got out about 393. So I got out here and they continue to push lower. So they consolidated. This is a lot of chop. I did take a short up here. And then they consolidated. So I just took that trade out. I just exited my position. and then they made a new high. So they came back up here, double topped again, and then I was expecting them to fail. So this is the double top. So I got in late. They came down. I took profit. They came back up, and then this is my final trade for the day. Beautiful reversal. Break beneath 394.72. So it's just, we just playing the range. So I'm gonna zoom out for you so you can see exactly what I saw. So if you're just playing the range today, this is the highs, the overnight highs up here, and then we got the lows. So let me draw this all the way over. So if you just play the range on these days and you take profit, I usually take profit about 10 points. For my trades, that's just my particular strategy. 8 to 10 points. That's my target profit. So all you had to do was play the range. I know it sounds simple, but when this stuff is live, you know, you never know. So all I did was play this resistance level. They never came back down and tested this. Otherwise, this is being a buying opportunity. So we're gonna start at 930. 930 prices open here. They spiked up. They tested this resistance and they immediately failed. So that's why I took it, because I saw a lower high on the smaller time frame and this rejection bar. Rejection bar, we were able to push down off of the zone, and I took profit in this area. They continue to push lower. Big reversal bar. If you'd have went long up here, you would have got stopped out, because they immediately came back down, and that was, you could have took that lower high short up here, and you would have got a beautiful move to the downside. And they came all the way back up again, made a new high, double top, came back, found support. So we got a first entry, second entry long, failure at resistance at the trend line. This is the best trade of the day. I took this trade and I was done. 3 trades for the day. They consolidated here, so I chickened out on this short move, and I closed this position out. So this was my final trade. And once I seen them consolidating in here in this range, I got out. So first trade of the day, they tested the overnight highs. All we're doing is playing the range, playing the lows to the highs. They tested these highs, immediately failed, take profit when they offer it. We came back up, we made a new high, double top. You could have took that short entry. They broke those highs, stopped those people out who were going short up here, and then they immediately turned down. So this is pretty much, if you just played the range, because if you look at the bigger time frame, it looks like they wanted to break out. We just gonna, this big old, because this is, I'm gonna show you what it looked like before they. So this is all you would have seen on the chart. You would have seen this big green candle here, 1 hour chart, at resistance, at the trend line, failed breakout of the range. So a lot of people went long here, and then you could see what happened. They instantly turned down. If you're watching the smaller time frames, they instantly turned down because people were buying the breakout. They never came back and retested this, so there was no reason for me to buy this. All this was a fake out, failed breakout to the downside. You could have rolled them all the way down with this spike move. So lower high entries off of the range, double top, triple tops. You could have took all 3 of these trades. If that is, it is aggressive, but they would have all worked. But just playing a range. Usually when they push down, they consolidate and they range. So this was all the price action today. Very choppy day. I didn't trade anything after this, but these were my trades. First trade, took profit. Second trade, I closed the position because they were seen them consolidating, and I seen this green doji here, so I had to close the position out once they start pushing up. Close that position out. They made a new high, and then I took this final trade of the day. So all the price action is we had an uptrend, break, new high, third leg to a new high, failed breakout of the range, and then this is where you would be shorting, right up here at these highs. The lows are down here, overnight session. That's all you're doing, man. So draw your lows and your highs, and you're playing the range. Simple price action. I had a guy who I asked about his strategy, and he didn't know what a trading range was. He didn't know what an uptrend was. So there's no way around. You can't use indicators to be a successful trader. I'm just telling you that now, but you have to learn how to read price action. That's the only way you're going to be successful long term, through trial and error, of course, but you have to learn how to read the chart. Only way you're going to be successful. Indicators will not get you there. But like, subscribe for me, man, if you like this content. We trying to get people on the same page. This community keep going, man. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Out.